All right, born into a family of singers, effervescent recording artist, Rosh naturally became a songbird. It's in her blood. She joins us this morning to talk about music career changes and redirection. Hi, Rosh.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm feeling good,
Welcome
thank you.
to the show, Yellow Boss.
Yes,
So
thank you for having
about
me.
The Yellow Boss moniker now.
Oh, you know, yellow is vibrance. Yellow is life. It represents me well. I've gone through some things, and after losing my mommy, I was wearing black a lot. And it was kind of depicting my mood a whole lot. I felt dragged down, all of that. And I really wanted to just go back to who I am. I didn't want to give people what I had gone through, you know? So I really wanted to just be that light. Just being able to rub off positivity on somebody regardless of what I've gone through, that was it. So I'm going back to my yellow. I've always loved it, made me feel vibrant, full of life, and that's what yellow is all about. I just really want everybody to be a part of the Yellow Massive in that regard. So
is that something you infuse in your music as well?
Yes, definitely I do.
Especially with this new new EP that you released. All right, let's go back a little bit and talk about how your journey in the business started.
Yeah.
I mean, it's in your blood. You're born into a family of singers.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, so not known singers, but them sing every day. So, you know, I learned some things from them. My auntie would teach me how to sing from the diaphragm, all of that. Grew up in the church, grandfather, grandmother can sing, all of that. So, you know, it was pretty much a thing. I used to ride around on grandfather's bike, go to church rallies, sing and get little money in an envelope. So it was always a wonderful thing.
You were working from
Yes,
early.
I was working. So, yeah, I always wanted to sing, you know, did Rising Stars back then with Sev, Latoya. And then I went to Montego Bay to do a business degree. And then I said, you know, I really need to get back into this. So 2014, 15, 16, I decided, okay, Rosh is stepping out again, working on my confidence, all of that. And yeah,
you did cabaret for a little while?
Yes, and I still actually do cabaret, you know, because we forget the bread. Yeah. So I still
where do you do cabaret?
I do at Round Hill Resort, Trial, you know, and sometimes Sandals. Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. So why was it time to do this EP?
I've always wanted to do a body of work, you know, and it means so much to me being able to complete something, because, you know, so many times we start something and we leave it halfway.
Yes, ma'am.
So I really wanted to give my supporters a body of work, you know, and it was something that DJ Denson, the producer, it's our, you know, collaborative work. So we worked on that and we wanted to do that from 2020. So it just kind of ready now, you know, so yeah.
Let's talk about that project. The tune we came from break to the interview with was Lockdown.
Yeah.
Did you write that in lockdown?
Yes, I did.
Okay, surprise! Tell me about that period for you, because that was a tough period for a lot of creatives, but also for some, they thrived because their creative juices just were flowing while they were in that space of solitude and uncertainty, and so it affected different people in different ways.
Yeah.
Obviously, you were among the latter group, no?
In some ways, because it was really mentally draining for me. It was hard. I didn't work for like 8 months straight. So that was hard. Like everything was gone, you know, so that part was really, really hard. But then I started to just get used to it. I told myself, this is the new norm. So yeah, like that's how lockdown came about. The rhythm went out on Instagram. I didn't even know DJ Denson at the time. And it was a challenge. So they were saying, you know, some artists jump on, let's see what we like. So over 150 persons submitted and they chose 7 and I was a part of that.
Fantastic.
And from there, you know, the relationship grew and here we are. That's how lockdown came about.
It have a nice
me,
little thing.
baby.
Yeah. All right, now show off. Tell me about some of the other tracks and some of the inspiration. So we know Lockdown was from Lockdown. Tell me about some of the other themes you deal with on the EP.
So the EP embodies just love and positive vibrations. You know, that's what I want to give off. I sing about love so much. Like,
why not?
We must in love.
What a great thing to sing about, though.
Yes. Yeah. But I really want to inspire. As I said, I've gone through some things, and that I just really want to touch people in this life, because what I've been through, and when I was in that pit, it was really hard. So I just really want to do that, you know. So right time, you know, right time. It starts with right time, saying that it's the right time to go to the beach. Right time to shine. Give it up, I'm living life. You know, starts with that. Then we go into lockdown. A little lovey-dovey something. Then we go into rundown. And next lovey-dovey something. And then we go into living. Rundown, coconut.
Quite.
So, yeah, run come, next lovey tune, and then living with summer. she's in Spain, but she's a Jamaican artist, powerful. So that tune just make you feel hype in a good way. You're living the life where you did dream of, you know, watch nobody. And then it ends with Way Up, a song of declaration, declaring that you're going all the way up. You have love to give and life to live, so I don't want nobody try to bring me down.
Right.
So that's just what it's about.
Okay, so where is the EP available?
Everywhere on all major digital platforms, so, you know, Amazon, Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, everywhere, YouTube as well. Yes.
Okay, and what's next for Rosh as she reigns?
It's just more work, more work. I'm learning and growing every day. So working on my sound, working on my delivery, shows coming up, and just really just trying to be my best self and enjoy life while I try to make it as well.
Yeah. International artistry is what you're aiming for?
Yes, because I'm a little jazzy neo-soul type of singer.
I was just going to say with what style, because usually you see a young lady coming out of Jamaica, you think reggae, but you're not. I mean, you incorporate the reggae, but your sound is very neo-something. Neo-soul, it's a fusion, a little bit of
of everything. Jazz,
and that's what you want.
Yes.
Yeah. No reggae tracks on the album?
Yes, because Lockdown is kind of like a reggae track and Run Come Too. So I had to. So it's a little bit of everything, a little jazzy, neo-soul, reggae, and then a little dancehall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. It was great talking to you this morning.
Thank you, and it was great.
Yellow Boss.
Thank you. I hope you can come join the Yellow Massive, Simone.
How you do that now?
Yeah. Just be there. You know what I mean? Just absorb the good vibes. The positivity.
I'm all about it.
Yes.
I'm not dressed in yellow, but I'm a part of the yellow movement.
That's right.
Yes, I try to do that every day and to spread it wherever I go.
That's good.
So we are kindred spirits. Love that.
Yes.
EP again, all major platforms. You can find it. The name of the EP?
Rain.
Okay, simply.
Rain
and you can hear Lockdown and all the other tunes
that
Rosh has been working on. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Good to see you, recording artist Rosh Rain. Coming up, Trisha Handmade. We're back with that in a bit.